11 peserta telah menampilkan bakatnya di panggung semifinal America's Got Talent 2023 minggu ketiga. Acara babak live show ini dibuka oleh Warrior Squad dari India dengan penampilan yang meriah yang menampilkan bakat akrobat, dan ditutup dengan sempurna oleh Putri Aryani yang tampil menakjubkan dengan suara malaikatnya membawakan lagunya band U2 dengan aransemen baru yang sangat indah. Berikut cuplikan penampilan ke-11 kontestan.
Everybody, meet Kyle.
Hello.
Fight if you get it, 'cause I can't write your rules.
Yo, these 4 new jacks is real smooth.
Let's go!
Calling out your name, you know that I'm proud and I wanna be with you.
Why away from this relationship? Is that what you're saying? Babe, what you talking about? No, are you saying you don't want to be with me? Is that what? You said whatever I want to.
I was there as a cry for 1,000 flights, only to be with you.
Putri Aryani sengaja ditempatkan paling akhir, tentu bukan secara kebetulan, tetapi dengan perhitungan matang dari pihak penyelenggara. Putri sengaja ditahan untuk mempertahankan rating acara agar pemirsa tetap setia mengikuti keseluruhan rangkaian show sampai akhir. Dan pilihan pihak EGT tidak sia-sia. Putri Aryani kembali membuktikan kepiawaiannya sehingga berhasil mendapatkan all standing ovation dan puji-pujian luar biasa dari para juri.
Putri Aryani. Simon.
Putri, I'm actually kind of speechless right now. Look, you know what? What I was thinking was, first of all, what a beautiful voice you've got. What a beautiful version. And honestly, Putri, this is why I still do this job, for moments like this, genuinely. Because that was so beautiful, and I do want to thank you too, because, you know, they don't clear their songs, because I understand this, a lot of bands don't clear their songs, but they cleared this song for Putri to sing because they saw her audition and they knew how much this would mean to her, and I cannot thank you enough, because I think you've just hopefully changed this girl's life.
Thank you so much.
Sophia.
I don't think I've ever heard something more beautiful in my life.
Thank you so much.
That was spectacular. Every note, the feeling, what you were like, making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time. I think this was the perfect act.
Heidi.
You sounded so beautiful, and I thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing. Literally. So beautiful. And I do hope that Bono gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. You have a stunning voice. Thank you so much.
Great comment, Howie. Perfection.
Thank you so much.
Putri, what do you want to say to Simon and the rest of America?
I would like to say thank you so much, Simon, and all the people who supported me. You already changed my life beautifully, and please vote for me. Thank you so much.
Kenyataan bahwa penampilan Putri Aryani ini yang selalu ditunggu-tunggu Terbukti dari jumlah viewers video penampilannya di channel YouTube AGT yang baru beberapa jam setelah tayang sudah melewati angka 1 juta viewers. Sementara kontestan-kontestan lainnya belum ada yang melewati angka 100.000 viewers. Selain penampilan Putri Aryani yang menurut para juri tampil sempurna, ada 3 kontestan lagi yang mendapat apresiasi yang baik dari para juri, mendapatkan all standing ovation dan komentar-komentar yang baik. Kontestan-kontestan tersebut adalah Warrior Squad dari India mendapatkan all standing ovation, dan menurut Howie itu indah, menakutkan dan original, dan Heidi menimpali sangat sulit dipercaya. Mzansi Youth Choir dari Afrika Selatan mendapatkan all standing ovation. Sofia dan Simon sepakat kalau itu sangat spektakuler. Rowan Legalal dari Perancis mendapatkan 4 standing ovation, dan kata Howie Mandel, kamu pantas berada di final dan berharap Amerika memilihmu. Putri Aryani sudah tampil maksimal. Para juri mengaku dia tampil menakjubkan dan sempurna. Lolos tidaknya ke babak final, biarlah voting yang berbicara. Kita hanya bisa berdoa semoga para pemvoting di Amerika bisa melihat kualitas yang telah ditampilkan Putri Aryani di atas panggung semifinal America's Got Talent hari ini. Thank you for watching. See you.